So, you're thinking about dating a bodybuilder, or maybe you're already dating one. Either way, you've probably realized by now that this isn't your typical relationship. It comes with its own set of perks, challenges, and surprises. In this video, we're diving into the 20 things you absolutely need to know before diving headfirst into a relationship with a bodybuilding partner. Let's go. Meal prepping, calorie counting, and knowing exactly how much protein is in every bite? Get used to it. Your bodybuilder boo will have an eating schedule down to a science, and spoiler alert, you might end up eating cleaner than you ever have in your life. They're not just lifting weights for the Instagram likes. This lifestyle takes dedication. Appreciate their effort, and remember, the best support often comes from home. Yes, there will be flexing, lots of flexing, and mirrors, they're everywhere. But hey, it's part of their craft, being able to show off those hard-earned muscles. You might find yourself battling for time with the gym. It's not personal, it's just part of their routine. It can be frustrating, but understanding their commitment will help a lot. Here's a bonus. Most bodybuilders are master chefs when it comes to clean, high-protein meals. You might be eating gourmet-style chicken and broccoli more often than you think. Gym attire isn't just for the gym. Expect to see a lot of tank tops and muscle shirts even on casual outings. Let's face it, those muscles need space to breathe. Never ask them to skip the gym. It's a big no-no. The gym is their sacred space, and asking them to miss a session can feel like asking them to compromise their passion. They'll probably talk about their workouts, a lot. Reps, sets, and protein shakes might not be the most thrilling conversation starters for you, but showing interest means the world to them. Bodybuilders get a lot of attention, especially at the gym. It's natural to feel a bit jealous, but remember, they're with you, not the admirers. Sometimes their need to show off comes in handy, like when you've got heavy groceries and they carry them all in one trip. Win-win. At the end of the day, dating a bodybuilder has its ups and downs, just like any relationship. But if you're open to the lifestyle and respect their passion, you're in for one strong and rewarding partnership. So, there you have it. 20 things to keep in mind if you're dating or thinking about dating a bodybuilder. It's not always easy, but trust me, it's worth it. If you like this video, give a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more content on fitness, relationships, and lifestyle. And hey, comment below if you've got a story about dating a bodybuilder. We'd love to hear it.